So you can see that is your 5 minutes starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the delay, we had some internet problems. This is Refresh. My name is Alexander. With me is Tom, Ollie, Finn, Miles at the end, and Alex. And Refresh is a web app that dynamically generates high-quality questions for users. It's quite a complicated phrase. You'll hear more about it later.
The idea first came about because we all took important exams. The current websites that we can use to revise have had one of two problems. They either had user-curated content that could be found on any topic, but it was generally low quality, or they had admin-curated content, which was high quality, but there wasn't enough of it.
Thus, we decided to create Refresh. This solved both of these problems by providing consistently high-quality resources that could be found on any topic. It works by getting the syllabus from CIE, Edexcel, AQA, or OCR, decoding the PDF into text, passing that text into key points, and then scraping websites for that point and returning a series of questions to the user.
So, out of all of the steps you've just heard, one step was significantly more difficult than the others. It was actually taking the text from the syllabus PDF and converting it into a sentence that you could test the user on. So, yeah, this is why this took us until about 4 o'clock this morning to get finally working. So basically you scrape all of the text out of the PDF and then analyze it using natural language programming. And then from that you can do a Bing search, and from the results of that you can scrape the text of the top websites of that search and then turn those into cohesive sentences, which you can then test the user on.
In regards to APIs, we used a few APIs. We used TextRaiser, which was one. Another one, as Miles said, was Bing search. And also we used a command line tool called PDF to HTML EX, which converts PDF documents into searchable HTML documents. And in addition, we use Clockwork API in order to create phone messages to send to users who haven't logged in a while to remind them to log in.
Where is it? Okay, no, we'll just go there. Anyway, we spent a large amount of time on the front end of the website, which you'll see in a minute. Actually, wait, no, we spent an enormous amount of time on the front end because we thought that people will never use a website that is not easy to use and does not look aesthetically pleasing. We used a custom bootstrap theme, which we made in order to make the website not only look uniform, but also unique. Also, we made several redesigns of the site because apparently center tags and inline styles aren't best practice anymore. Anyway, over to Alex for the demonstration.
Okay, so we were going to do a video demo, but luckily we may have the website working. This is the register page. You'll notice it's quite simple. We tried to keep everything very simple here because we wanted it to be easy to use for those who aren't so technologically advanced. We also have a login screen, if the internet would actually work. Oh, yes, just incredibly slow. And crashes. Okay, so register. If we quickly try and register here, we can see that it's 5 forms. We have email verification, we just don't have it enabled at the moment. So you will have to check your email, but for this, we're just keeping it normal. You'll notice I've made a mistake on the email form. We have some email verification on the server side, if I can unclick. So it says there's an error, and you can just fix it. You then enter the course selection page, which should be appearing soon. This allows you to select before the 4 exam boards that we currently have. Once it comes up. So you select the 4 exam boards, then you have to select the subject, and then you have to select the syllabus. We found this was something that a lot of people forget, that the syllabus changes year on year. So let's select CIE, and then accounting.
That's it, guys. I'm sorry. Cut short in your prime. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But hopefully you'll be able to catch up with some questions from the judges, our terrifying judges at the back. Refresh. Fire away.
How effective has it been? So give me an example of something that it does generate.
Okay, so hopefully if we can get the internet working, we can just skip all of this and go directly to learn. We have some results cache, so that might work. What it gives is a selection of options, of questions. One of the main ones that we try to do is fill in the blanks using a synonym checker so that people could put in what they want. You'll get something come back which says something like the 4 elements are, and then 4 input boxes. And then in each of those input boxes, you have to fill in a form. And then it will go on to the results page, which will tell you which are right and wrong. We also have a series of other questions coming out. Because we have TextRaiser doing natural language processing, we're able to turn a sentence into any type of question we want. So we can go from the basic drag and drop to an actual fully fledged question and making sure that it's correct automatically.
Cool. So is it possible to get this on a demo URL soon, so we can double check that afterwards?
Yeah,
That'd be cool to have a look, and obviously run out of time today. But
So what we did try to do that.
Sure.
We bought many servers. We bought about 4 servers, and none of them seemed to work.
Okay.
So yeah, we are on it. We are trying to
Cool.
do it. It's a bit difficult. We will keep you updated though.
okay, yeah, cool.
We have our source code online too.
Okay, yeah, I've got that. Thank you.
Judges, another 10 seconds. One more question. Or
Okay, just quickly.
thought if you have something.
Just quickly. You mentioned PDF. Reading from PDFs. I know this is very challenging from previous experiences. How far do you actually get with that?
It reads successfully from the PDFs, though we found a command line program that you can use inside of Node.js to scrape text from inside PDFs.
Okay.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Give them a big round of applause.
Thank you.
Refresh. Thank you very much.